Hello everyone and welcome to Mathematics, which helps you to practice the habit of repeating a question a day in mathematics. So for this video, we'll focus on Form 5 Chapter 3 Integration, and let's aim ourselves to learn one thing from this video. So before we start, I will need your help to pause the video and look through the question first, so that you will understand when we discuss this question. Alright, so let's look at part A. So here we have a differential equation and there's an integral here. So this is the aim of this video, which is how do we solve problems involving both differentiation and integration together. So let's understand what does this equation mean. But before that, let me remind you what is dy over dx. So dy over dx means I differentiate y in terms of x. So y is my original equation. If we apply the same concept here, 4x minus 3 power of 6 is my y, which is my original equation. So if I differentiate this, it will become this. So let's draw a diagram out to understand even better. So this means if I want to go from the left to the right, I need to differentiate. And you may realize this part in the integral is the same as the thing on the right side. It's just the number is different. So let's say if the number is the same, let's say it's 24. If you want to find the integral, we can actually just go backwards, because integration is the opposite of differentiation. And this would be our answer, 4x minus 3 power of 6. Okay, so now the problem is how do we change 3 to 24? Actually, it's quite easy. We just take out the 3 from here, multiply a 24, but when we multiply something, we need to divide by something, so we need to divide another 24. And you can see that now this integral is the same as the thing on the right side of this diagram. So now we can integrate back to the original equation. And this will be our answer, 1 over 8 4x minus 3 power of 6. In part B, it's the same thing as well. We have a differentiated equation and an integral. So we can draw a diagram from this equation. So when we differentiate the thing on the left side, we will get the right side. And what we see is that in the integral, this part is actually the same as this part. So the only difference here is the 2, so we're going to move the 2 outside of the integral. And since we are integrating this, we need to go to the other side, which is x squared over x plus 3. But here's a little bit different with part A, because there's the limits here. So to solve this question, we need to sub these two values inside and to find the answer. So this is the value we sub 2 and this is the value we sub 1, and we need to minus them together to find the final answer, which is 11 over 40. And congratulations, we have completed today's question. So the aim of this video is to learn how to solve problems involving both integration and differentiation. And this is the take-home point. So for complicated equations, we can use diagrams to understand the situation. For example, from this complicated equation, we can draw a diagram out to show that, oh, the thing on the left side, when we differentiate, will become the right side. And here what I'm showing you now is how the marks are allocated for this question. And hope you all have learned something from this video. So if you feel this video is beneficial to you, please give a like, subscribe, and share it to your friends and classmates. So I'll see you all very soon in the next video. Thank you.